नमस्ते आप सभी को राम राम. We are the students of 6th class are here to describe a very serious issue through our model. This is pollution. Pollution is my friend. What is pollution after all? Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances that cause adverse change in the environment and living entities. Do you know pollution is the root cause of many diseases that kill or disable living organisms? You can see different types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution. What is air pollution? When gases, dust particles, smoke are introduced into the atmosphere that makes it harmful to humans, animals and plants is called air pollution. Okay my friend, but what are the sources of air pollution? Sources are the household combustion devices, motor vehicles, industrial facilities and forest fire. Then we may also be suffering from diseases due to air pollution. Absolutely, disease like lung cancer, asthma, COPD caused by air pollution. Then we have to control it. But how? We can control it by using public transport, electric car and using alternate energy source like solar energy, hydro energy and wind energy. Then what is water pollution? The contamination of water with undesirable substances which makes it unfit for usage. From which sources it become unfit for usage? It become by domestic sewage, industrial sewage, agriculture wastewater, plastic and pesticides. Polluted water also a reason of various diseases like cholera, malaria, typhoid and aquatic life also get destroyed. My friend, how to avoid water pollution? Do not bath or wash clothes near the water bodies. Do not throw waste into rivers, lakes or oceans. Industrial waste should be treated before discharging them into water bodies. My friend, we have heard about noise pollution also. What is it? Unpleasant and unwanted sound is called noise pollution. How it is caused? It is caused by traffic, noise from industries, noise from construction and other sources also. Do you know it is also a very serious issue for us? Seriously, but how? It causes stress, sleep disturbance, color blindness, hearing loss and high BP. Yeah, I got it. It is very serious issue. We must control it. So what can we do? Airports must be away from residential area. The sound horn symbol is to be in school roads. Sound affects our ears, so loud noise should be avoided. What is land pollution? Land pollution is the degradation of Earth's land surface often caused by human activities and their misuse of land resources. It occurs when waste is not disposed properly. Here are several effects of land pollution. Land cannot be constructed, houseman cannot farming, groundwater will get affected. My friend, will you tell me how can we control it? More and more land should be bought under farming. Trees should be planted everywhere. Waste should be separated and recycled also. Be a part of solution, not pollution. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.